guys, I am HelgahVC. I am a grade 6 student at Aklan Learning Center, and I am going to be making a video about my mom's gifts, which are a sleepwear. So this is going to be a sleepwear haul, or my new normal OOTD, which stands for outfit of the day. So first outfit is this. Let's wear it. Now for the shirt. Now for the next outfit. So now I have this outfit. Let's wear it. So this is the next outfit. Let's wear it. Now we have the next outfit, which is this. So let's wear it. Now for the slippers. I am going to show you my sleepwear, some photos, and the designs of it are river bears and unicorns, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. And that concludes the video, so stay safe. Shout out to my classmates, schoolmates, and teachers from HelgahVC, and stay safe always, and peace.